Alright, so heart palpitations. That was definitely the last major symptom that came on. It's probably about a year and a month into my vitamin B12 deficiency where I started to feel those heart palpitations. And it was definitely the scariest one. It was by far the scariest one, actually, because, you know, you feel weak in your limbs, or if you just can't think right, or if you feel a bit dizzy, you kind of think those are all going to go away, or you can still manage with those. But like once it starts to hit your heart, that's when it's just like, okay, this is a real deal. Like we got to heal this soon, or something bad could happen. So I was subbing for art class at the time, and that's when I could start to feel the heart palpitations, and it came on pretty strong. I could feel it as I'm like reaching up to turn the projector on, as we watched how to draw a penguin or, you know, other characters like Pikachu. And I remember doing it for elementary class, and it was just so scary because that's your heart. That's your major organ right there. That's where it all starts. That's where you, without blood flow, without that heart pumping, it's over. Hey guys, go ahead and please subscribe so that we can all together form this ecosystem, this community where we help each other heal 100% from any nerve damage that we have. So I remember like reaching up to turn the projector on and off. I don't know why, but that's like the strongest memory that I have. And I think just that stretching motion in and of itself made it worse somehow. So I'm basically thinking, I've tried all of the doctors, I've tried all these different things, nothing's worked. I literally get worse every single day. It seems like a new symptom, a new like big symptom pops up every couple of weeks. Now it's hitting my heart. It started on the outside, on the peripheral. Now it's working its way towards the inside, and it's only getting worse all the time. So that's when I really thought, I'm like, okay, I'm done. I cannot find the answer. Tried everything and I'm only getting worse. Now it's attacking my heart. So I'm like, I'm done. That was in my mind. I'm just like, I better just soak up these last moments, really enjoy my time with my friends, like however few times I have left doing that, and enjoy my time with my family, because it's just really not going to last that much longer. But the good news is that since it was the last symptom to come on, it was the first symptom to leave. So that was awesome. Once I started on the B12 injections and fasting, eating greens, like it totally cured me. And it was very like reassuring. I could finally breathe. I finally had some peace of mind. I could sleep. A lot of my symptoms would come on at 7 o'clock at night. For whatever reason, that's when I could feel it the most strong. But the heart palpitations, that came on at any point of the day. It really didn't matter, day or night, while I'm laying in bed or while I'm out, whatever. It really had no rhyme or reason. Also the tingling also just at all times of day. But a lot of the symptoms, especially the weakness, that would come on at 7 o'clock at night on the dot. Like, it was crazy. But the heart palpitations, and so then it kind of forces you to like live in fear, like, oh no, when's it going to hit again, and is it going to be worse? I mean, it just started off small, and then it's kind of getting a little bit worse, and my whole body in general just seems to be going down. So it's like probably every symptom is just going to continue to get worse, to get stronger. So is that going to continue with my heart? How quickly will that continue? All of these questions go in your mind, and it just adds to the fear of the whole experience. Fill up on vitamins and nutrients naturally, and get rid of anything that doesn't belong in your body, and you're gonna see your health improve so much. Okay, don't cop out. Don't be like, oh, I'm getting rid of all this stuff in my body, when there's still a lot of stuff in your body that's junk. Get rid of it. Like, There's no shortcuts in this. You have to do this. If you want your health to come back, you have to do this. I can't say this strongly enough. So I have a lot of people who want to continue their unhealthy lifestyle, but then they want to get better too. And it's like, okay, it's not like you have to swear off all forms of junk food forever for all time, like, but during the healing phase, probably a good idea. During the rebuilding phase of your body, probably a good idea to only stick to natural vitamins and nutrients. Alright, if you want to learn more about how to cure the nerve damage that you potentially have, check out this video playlist right here, or check out this video right here as to what YouTube thinks is best for you.